Hello my planner pals and welcome back. And if you're new here, then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Karma Design, and today I'm going to share with you weeks 5 and 6 of my project life. As you can see here, I've got stuff that I've made in Canva and I am just cutting up. I do have a tutorial all about this. You did ask for it, so I have done a tutorial for it. It is up. I will link it in the little cards and I will link it in the description, so go check that out. But yeah, all I do is I just put it on a grid and big yawn, put it on a grid and we just print it out and yeah, done. And as you can see here, I am not getting out my paper trimmer. I do get it out for one thing later on, but I did this yesterday and I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but I am fighting the bug or whatever it is that's going around. I am fighting it big time. I've been fighting it for 3 days now. Like heavy in my chest. I can just feel it heavy in my chest. So yeah, this is why I did not do a voiceover or anything for some of the videos that I've done lately. I've just had to just not do them. I just can't do videos for everything when I have no voice. But yeah, so I decided that I was going to do a dark and gloomy theme, is what I'm going to call it, because it basically rained for like days on end these 2 weeks. So I got out some of the black cardstock to go with this, and the little printable journaling cards that you can see here that I had for weeks 5 and 6. I talked about not doing the same color scheme, and here I am I'm changing things up because this 2 weeks felt dark and gloomy. And even today, again, it's raining, which so much rain for Southern California, so much rain. But yeah, and the funny thing is, I have one, Stella, one dog who hates walking in the rain. She hates it. She will not go. And then Cosmo, he's just like, yeah, whatever, whatever. It's raining. I don't care. So I wanted a moody theme. I'm going to call this dark and moody. Yeah, we're going dark and moody for this one. So lots of black. And I printed out some little journaling strips for the photos. So I'm just cutting those out. And I have that black piece on the left-hand side page. And I'm using that as a placeholder right now. I don't know what I want for that. So yeah. And the blue things that you can see here, the blue little journaling card, the blue little tag, those are things that I had from the previous weeks that I've just been saving in the little envelope at the front of my Project Life planner. And for those of you who don't know, I'm using the big happy planner. I'm repurposing it as a Project Life memory keeper scrapbook type thing. So I have a ton of pictures of my dogs. So apologies if you don't like seeing dog photos. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, not sorry. But yes, they're adorable. And especially that one of Cosmo lying in my lap like a baby. He fell asleep like that. And then I promptly fell asleep with him in my arms. So yes. The picture here of Cosmo, he is on his little dog bed, but I finally got him to settle in our home gym when I'm on my bike. I can't tell you, he just runs off with stuff. You run off with your socks, with your shoes, with a tissue, with a workout band, and he's finally starting to just calm down. And so I'm getting out my pens. I'm just deciding. I have that green little strip says building good habits on that top left photo. So I'm using this circle to bring in the little green and just kind of planning, where I want things, what I want things to say. Again, I'm still not sure what this black holder should be. I know it needs to be something, but yeah, I just don't know what that is right now. So I kind of put those circles as the text, the black text, that piece. So it's got lyrics, it's song titles on it, all beginning with rain stuff. And I made that in Canva. So yeah, just putting the little touches of journaling on the little half circles. The one on the left where it says gremlin mode, that's what we call it when Cosmo gets into one of his weird moods. He literally turns upside down and starts gurgling like a gremlin. It's just unreal. So I'm putting in journaling for week 5, And the little arrow came in handy because that was the journaling about Cosmo just settling when I was on my bike. Like he's just finally settling and not running off with all of the stuff that isn't his. And then I just put some journaling about how much rain we've had, because it's been a lot of rain. It's been a lot of rain. Week 5 was bad. It was like, especially the weekend from week 5 to week 6 was just, I mean, we had like 5 days of like rain, just rain, and more rain. And then the second week, for week 6, the highlights, it stopped raining finally. Cosmo, as you can see in one of the photos, turned into a big boy because now he is lifting his leg to go to the bathroom. So not only did he get his teeth this past couple of weeks, he got his full teeth, but he's also now lifting his leg to go to the bathroom. It's insane how quickly they grow. It's been 6 months. It's insane. Just crazy how fast it's gone. So on this journaling card on the left-hand side, I've just done some journaling about how my brain has just been in full-on crazy mode lately. It's just so bad with my focus. And I don't know whether that's just related to the weather or what. I just don't know. It's just been really, really quite insane. So here we are. I'm trying to decide what to put on this black cardstock. And one of the things was maybe I'll make it into like a little patterned paper almost of these little grumpy faces. And I'm just looking at stickers. Can I put a sticker in there, like a rectangular sticker, like from my stash? Like, what can I put in this bit? Like, it's just one of those things. Like, I didn't have anything that would really go in there. Like, some things felt like they fit. Like, they looked nice, but they didn't fit. I'm going to call it the dark and gloomy vibe. So I'm just like, what the hell can I put in there? So I'm searching through all of my sticker books. Like, what can I do? Do I want to print something? What do I want to do? I looked at some different types of stickers, some washi. I'm looking through all of my stuff. What can I put in there? And that's when I look and I remember that I have this, like, I mean, I know I was going through the dark and gloomy, but I remember that I had this book. And I was like, maybe this will fit. So I decided to take this like starburst sticker and do a little circle rather than the starburst. I wish, in hindsight, I'd left it as the starburst. But I decided that I was going to make it into a circle. And you can see the first attempt there. I kind of missed the, like, it's got like a gold foil. Of course it does. All of the Happy Planner stickers, pretty much 95% have that gold foil. But I made it into a circle, and then I'm like, I don't actually like it. It doesn't fit there. So I'm like, I don't know what I want. I really do not know what I want. And I'm like, I don't think it's yellow. Is it this big red one? Is it the big red one? And then I was like, maybe it's this. And I just put it on white. And I was like, no, maybe I'll put it on black. But it was too late by that point. And it was stuck to the white paper. So I was like, okay, we'll be going with that. And we're just going to make our own pattern paper using some of these stickers. And so I just used the stickers to make a kind of journaling card area. I don't even know what we want to call this. But yeah, I just used some of the stickers in this book to add to the pages. And that's when I realized I can just put this circle right up there. That makes perfect sense. I don't know why. Sometimes I think I overcomplicate things. I really do. But yeah, I make my own little journaling card pattern paper using stickers from this little, I don't know, kit, book. But yeah, I just add stickers, you know. This is one of the things that I wanted to do this year, was use some of these stash things in other projects. And here we are using them in other projects. So I'm kind of happy that I did that. And I'm just deciding where I want all of these little bits, because there's little like journaling stickers, like little strip stickers. And I come to this kind of, I don't know what we call that, like a little circle with a strip on it. What are they called? I don't know. But it added in that orange color, which I needed because I had it on the little like pattern paper card. So yeah, then I added the little journaling strip, and then I needed another little journaling strip because it never ends, does it? So I needed another bit, and this green one seemed like a good fit, so I just added that to the sticker of the wet street, and that was it. That was it. I just needed to adhere that one little bit down and I was done. But I'm so happy that I used some of my stash in this project. That's what I wanted to do. So I'm kind of happy with myself that I got that done. So that is weeks 5 and 6 of Project Life. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, then give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye.